Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you something. If you have a Roxor and you're having problems with a clunking sound when driving over obstacles, this right here is where you have to grease. That little Zerk, that grease fitting, that's where you have to apply the grease. If you're wondering where it is, because you hear people talk about it, you might not see it. So same thing applies in the back. Let's see here. There it is. So that Zerk fitting is where you apply the grease. So just one thing to think about: if you hear any clunking sound when you're going over obstacles, just like the older vehicles, this will have to have that some grease applied to that fitting. Thanks for watching this quick video, and I hope you enjoyed.